In this video, I'll show you how to install the IV Lane HD Road Texture mod for GTA 4 and upgrade the game's roads and high quality textures. Check my video description for this mod link. Select this download option and select download anyway. Download these two files. Select download anyway. Once the download done, select this folder icon and now you need to open the OpenIV. If it doesn't install yet, then check my video description for this video link. Watch this video and install the OpenIV. Once installation done, select this tools and select package installer. Navigate to downloads, select this base and select open. For installing the packages, you need to take a GTA 4 backup. Just navigate to the game folder. Once you are in the game folder, just copy and take a backup. Once you did, just minimize this, select the install option and select confirm installation. Once the installation succeed, close. Again select this tools and select package installer. This time select EFLC and select open. Select this install option. Select this confirm installation. Once this installation done, just close stuff here and now you can launch the game. I will add a before and after comparison. You can easily compare the road. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.